I'm going to show you here how to change the status of an exam for a resident. Why might you want to do it? Well, sometimes they get stuck as incomplete or in progress if the resident hasn't answered one or more questions in the exam, or for some reason perhaps it crashed right before they did it and you want to be able to change that. So you're going to go to the scheduling page. You want to do show assignees. And if you are already outside of the period the exam was assigned, you may have to click archived exams only to be able to find it, because these are only going to be the ones that are either before or during the scheduled dates that they have been assigned for. So you want to find the resident you're interested in. So often the quickest way is just to do a quick search. Here it's going to call up, just typing Ryan here. So perhaps you're interested in this particular exam, Radiation Safety version 1 for this particular resident. You're going to click on the green multicolored status tab. And what it's going to come up with then is some options for each of the exams. It's going to have a list of all the residents who've taken this particular exam on that particular time period. You can click to review the exam with the resident and sort of see what they did there. It will also show the scores. I'm not going to click on that for my resident's privacy, but that would come up. So find the resident that you're interested in. Say we're interested in this chap here. Click on the completed on the status button, and you'll see there be some options here that you can change. So you can change it to not started and have them do it again, or you can change it from in progress to completed, and then that score will then appear on their report. So it doesn't happen very often, but handy to know how to do it. If there's a problem with our level, you can also change that. Thanks for listening.